Alrighty, without much further ado, let's get started with our 21 Mosaic Football Random Player 1 Fanatics Mega Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got Henry in the top spot. And Anthony in the bottom 2 spots. So we'll just cut and paste that against our player list and cut and paste it over to the right, sort it by everybody's names. We'll scroll through the list briefly so everybody can see which players they've got, and then we will tear into our box and see what we get. Alrighty, now that we have been through our entire list, let's open some packs and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. So this is a 10-pack box. I believe there is a camo red mosaic in each pack. That's exclusive to the Fanatic mega boxes. I think all the different configurations have exclusive parallels. The Target has the yellow, and the Walmart has the blue, and then the Fanatics, which is a little bit harder to get, has the reds. The first card, we have a Hall of Fame Terrell Davis. And then, whoa, how about that? Little camo red Pat Freiermuth rookie. Very nice. And then we have a Trey Sermon rookie. Pack number 2. We have a Mosaic Will to Win Alvin Kamara. And then we have a camo red Braden Cooks. And then a NFL debut rookie of Caleb Farley. Not to be confused with Mr. Farley from Three's Company. Pack number 3. Will to Win, insert Dalvin Cook. Then a camo red Brian Dawkins. And then a Jake Funk rookie. No relation to Terry or Dory Sr. or Jr. Funk, by the way. Next pack. Trying to figure out how I'm going to make some odd 70s reference from this pack. Don't think I can pull it off. We have a bang insert of Jalen Hurts. And then a red camo of Allen Robinson II. Pack number 4. Adam Thielen, Touchdown Masters. Then we have a red camo Eric Stokes rookie. And then a Greg Rousseau rookie. Pack number 5. We have a DK Metcalf green mosaic bang insert. Then we have a red camo Peyton Manning. Pack number 7. We have a green Mosaic Hall of Fame Emmett. And then a red camo Frank Darby rookie. And then a Jacob Harris rookie. Pack number 8. Got game Calvin Ridley. Oh, how about this? Little red camo Tom Brady. Pack number 9. Ooh, silver Micah Parsons rookie. Very nice. And then next we have a red camo Cam Akers. And then the last card in the pack is a Seth Williams rookie. Pack number 10. Then we have a silver Mosaic Greg Rousseau to go with the base rookie that we pulled earlier. And then we have a red camo of Andy Dalton, not the Bears quarterback we were looking for. And then the last card in the pack, Von Miller. Alrighty, now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back to our list and see who got which cards. Let me pop that up on the screen. There we go. All right, so we will start with our base rookie cards. How about that? And our first one is Seth Williams. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is Jacob Harris. And that goes to Henry. Congrats on that, Henry. And then next is Greg Rousseau, and you also get his Mosaic Prism as well. And both of those go to Fred. Doubling up, congrats on that, Fred. And then our next base rookie is Jake Funk, and that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then next is our Caleb Farley NFL debut rookie. And that goes to Anthony also. Doubling up back-to-back. Congrats on that. And then our last base set rookie is Trey Sermon. And that goes to Sandy. Congrats on that, Sandy. So then next we will go through our stack of insert cards. And our first one is Got Game Calvin Ridley. And that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that, Bubba. And then next is our green Mosaic Hall of Fame, Emmitt Smith. And that goes to Sandy. Congrats on that, Sandy. And then next is our green Mosaic DK Metcalf Bang insert. And that also goes to Sandy. Congrats on that. Back to back. Very nice. And then next is our Touchdown Masters Adam Thielen. And that goes to Fred. Congrats on that, Fred. And then next is our Jalen Hurts Bang insert. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And then next is our Will to Win insert of Dalvin Cook. And that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next is our Mosaic Will to Win Alvin Kamara. And that goes to Anthony. Congrats on that, Anthony. And then our last insert is our Hall of Fame Terrell Davis. And that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that, Bubba. So then next, we will go through all of our prisms. Our first one is our Micah Parsons Rookie Silver. And that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. So then next we'll go through our 10 red camo prisms. Our first one is Andy Dalton. And that goes to Daryl. Congrats on that, Daryl. And then next is Cam Akers. And that goes to Jason. Congrats on that, Jason. And then next is our Frank Darby rookie. And that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that, Bubba. And then next is our Eric Stokes rookie. And that goes to Jim. Congrats on that, Jim. And then next is Allen Robinson II. And that goes to Lester. Oops, wrong shade. Congrats on that, Lester. And then next is Brian Dawkins. And that goes to Bubba. Congrats on that, Bubba. And then next is Braden Cooks. And that goes to Jason. Doubling up, congrats on that. And then next is Peyton Manning. And that goes to Wayne. Congrats on that, Wayne. And then next is Tom Brady. And that goes to Lester. Congrats on that, Lester. And last but certainly not least is our Pat Freiermuth rookie. And that goes to Bubba with the double. Congrats on that. Very nice. Well, all righty. That concludes our 2021 Mosaic Football Random Player 1 Fanatics Mega Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everyone that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And that concludes our abbreviated Wednesday break schedule. Again, thanks to everybody. We appreciate all of you breaking with us on a Wednesday. I know it's not our normal day, but I wanted to get a couple in because I knew we wouldn't be breaking this weekend since it's a big holiday weekend for most of us. And hope you all enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Hope everybody's able to spend a little downtime with some family and friends. And we'll look forward to seeing you back here next week. I don't have an exact schedule yet for what we're going to be doing next week. But as soon as I do, obviously, I'll post it on the website and be sending you all an email out on break day. But again, thanks, everybody, and hope everybody enjoys the rest of your week and hope you all enjoy a great long weekend. Thanks again, you all.